A clean restroom equals a clean building. It's that simple. People link restroom cleanliness with overall building cleanliness. No space is more important than restrooms in creating a positive impression. Clean restrooms are also necessary to maintain high health standards. The general public has become increasingly knowledgeable about how germs spread illnesses. A poorly serviced restroom will cause more complaints than any other area in a building. A professionally serviced restroom is orderly, clean, and fully stocked with consumables. In this module, you'll learn about restroom cleaning equipment and supplies, cleaning preparation, personal safety considerations, the correct steps to cleaning a restroom, and how to clean and maintain your equipment. Let's get started. We like to say that restroom cleaning begins at the supply closet. Organize your service tray or cart to include everything you will need to clean all the restrooms. Make sure you have toilet bowl swab with container, putty knife, corner broom, dustpan, and microfiber or lamb's wool duster, wet floor sign and doorstop, and if necessary, closed for cleaning sign, standard or microfiber mopping system, clean, lint-free, or microfiber cleaning cloths, squeegee combo, or squeegee and strip washer, spray bottles, and glass cleaner, disinfectant cleaner, cream cleanser, and stainless steel cleaner or polish. You will also need a supply of consumables, such as paper hand towels, toilet paper, hand soap, toilet seat covers, and feminine hygiene supplies to replenish the dispensers in the restrooms. Since many of these dispensers are locked, don't forget the keys. Think you're ready to start? Well, not quite. Your personal safety, as well as that of the client, is important to Jani-King. Review the Material Safety Data Sheets, or MSDS. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including both eye protection and gloves at all times. Now you're ready to start cleaning. Let's do a quick review of what you just learned. Restroom cleanliness is important. People judge the cleanliness of a building by how clean the restrooms are. Make sure your cart is fully stocked before leaving the janitorial closet. Be safe. Read the MSDS sheets. Always wear your personal protective equipment and place appropriate signs. Good customer service means being courteous. Before entering a restroom, always knock on the door to announce your presence. When you've determined that the restroom is empty, prop the door open with the doorstop and place a wet floor or closed for cleaning sign in the doorway. The first cleaning task that you'll need to do is to pick up any loose debris. Flush all toilets and urinals. Then empty the waste and feminine hygiene receptacles. Most cleaning schedules call for daily trash removal and daily replacement of plastic liners in all restroom waste receptacles. After you have removed the trash, clean the receptacle both inside and out with disinfectant cleaner using a lint-free or microfiber cloth. Put in a new liner. Follow these same steps with the feminine hygiene receptacles. Remove the old liner. Wipe down the receptacle with disinfectant cleaner and replace with a new liner. If the feminine hygiene receptacle or the trash receptacle is stainless steel, use your stainless steel cleaner or polish to remove fingerprints. It's time to quickly review your first tasks when cleaning the restroom. Pick up any loose debris. Flush all toilets and urinals. Empty all the waste receptacles in the room. Clean the receptacles with disinfectant cleaner and replace the liners. Use stainless cleaner or polish to clean the exterior surfaces of the receptacles. Now it's time to replenish consumables. Consumables are the products that are used daily and need to be refilled, such as toilet paper, soap, and hand towels. These products are usually provided by the client. When you replenish the toilet paper, remove the empty rolls and replace with new ones. Take care to feed the paper over the top of the roll, unless instructed otherwise by the client. If your restroom uses toilet seat covers, replenish them as well. As we mentioned earlier, many dispensers today are locked. Use your keys to open the holder and replenish the product. At the initial walkthrough, you will be shown correct loading methods for single-roll towel dispensers, leaf-type towel dispensers, and, if required, vending machines. Once you have replenished everything, make sure the dispenser cover is locked. Make sure all soap dispensers are filled properly. If you are unfamiliar with how to open the soap dispensers, check with your client or Jani-King representative for instructions. Let's review what we've learned about consumables. Replenish the toilet paper and remember to feed the paper over the top of the roll unless instructed otherwise by the client. Replenish vending supplies as required. Fill soap dispensers. Replenish hand towels. And make sure to lock all dispensers afterwards. When cleaning any space, a general rule is to clean from top to bottom. That's the direction the dirt goes. Inspect and dust as necessary all vents and ceiling corners using a microfiber or lamb's wool duster. Most restrooms have stall doors. Use a lint-free or microfiber cloth with disinfectant cleaner to damp wipe the top of the stall partitions, including the top of the stall door. Don't forget to step inside the stall, close the door, and clean the inside of the door. This area is often overlooked. You will also have to clean the walls of your restroom periodically. Spot cleaning walls is performed frequently, according to your cleaning schedule. Continue cleaning other flat surfaces, such as the tops of all mirrors and frames, the top of the towel receptacle, and vending machines. If your restroom has hand air dryers, thoroughly clean the appliance and polish any stainless steel parts. If your restroom has an infant changing station, clean and disinfect both the interior and exterior surfaces. Then, spray disinfectant on a microfiber or lint-free cloth and thoroughly wipe the straps. Sometimes you'll find gum or other debris stuck to the floor. Use the putty knife to remove the sticky problem. All the dusting and wiping has added to the dirt and debris on the floor. Use a corner broom to sweep corners and hard-to-reach areas. Don't forget to sweep behind the toilets and under the sink. Then sweep the remaining floor area, making sure you sweep all the debris into one spot. Sweep the debris into a dustpan and empty the contents using the bag of trash you pulled from the receptacle earlier. Do not place it into the clean restroom waste receptacle. What did you just learn about cleaning flat surfaces? Always clean from top to bottom. Dust vents as needed. Use disinfectant cleaner and lint-free or microfiber cloths to damp wipe all flat surfaces. Sweep the floor, including corners and hard-to-reach areas, and sweep debris into one area and dispose. Now it's time to clean and disinfect the toilets and urinals. Before you begin, make sure you understand how to properly use the cleaning chemicals. Read the product label for directions and refer to the material safety data sheets if you want further information on the safe use of chemicals. First, you need to clean the interior toilet bowl surface. Reduce the water level in the bowl by using the swab as a plunger. Next, Apply disinfectant cleaner or cream cleanser to the end of your bowl swab so that you can apply it in its maximum concentration. This method does a better job of cleaning under the rim. Scrub interior surfaces of the bowl, including the underside of the rim. Reach the bowl swab into and around the drain area and scrub all areas below the waterline. If stubborn mineral deposits exist, specialized products may be obtained from a local distributor. Tap the swab handle on the rim to remove as much water as possible before removing the swab from the toilet bowl. Use a swab container to prevent drips that may stain floors or carpeting. Do not flush the toilet. Let the disinfectant cleaner continue to work in the bowl. It should remain there during other cleaning duties. Spray disinfectant cleaner on all exterior surfaces, including both sides of the toilet seat and the brightwork, and wipe clean. Clean and disinfect outer surfaces and undersides of flush tanks, if present, in the same way as the toilet bowl. Flush the toilet and leave the toilet seats up. All seats up represent a professional signal to the morning's first restroom visitor that the restroom has been cleaned and is ready for use. Next, clean and disinfect the urinals. Apply disinfectant cleaner directly across the inside top of the urinal, allowing it to pass slowly down the surface. If stubborn mineral deposits exist, specialized products may be obtained from a local distributor. Using the bowl swab, scrub all interior surfaces, including bottom rims and ledges. Then, scrub the drain area, reaching around and down as far as possible with the swab. Spray disinfectant cleaner on all exterior surfaces and brightwork and wipe clean. Flush the urinal. There certainly are a lot of steps to cleaning toilets and urinals. Let's quickly go over them. Make sure you understand the proper use of cleaning chemicals and always wear personal protective equipment, PPE. For toilets, reduce the water level in the toilet bowl by using the swab as a plunger. Scrub the interior of the bowl, including underside of the rim. Don't flush. Let the disinfectant cleaner continue to work. Clean and disinfect all exterior surfaces. Leave the toilet seats up. And flush the toilet just before leaving the stall. For urinals, apply disinfectant to the interior and scrub. Clean and disinfect all exterior surfaces. And flush the urinal. Your next step calls for polishing mirrors, cleaning and disinfecting sinks and counters, and cleaning brightwork. Clean, lint-free, streak-free mirrors are a reflection of the overall cleanliness of the restroom. To clean properly, apply glass cleaner on mirror surface. Wipe in a circular motion from the top of the mirror to the bottom with a dry cloth until clean, dry, and streak-free. For large or hard-to-reach surfaces, a squeegee combo or squeegee and strip washer can be used. Clean the sinks and counters. Apply disinfectant cleaner or cream cleanser directly to the surfaces of the sink. Clean the bowl surfaces. Rinse the cloth with warm tap water and wipe the sink clean. Remember to clean the counter and ledges of the sink area. After cleaning, dry the brightwork to a high gloss with a dry, lint-free or microfiber cloth. Spot clean the remaining wall area, particularly behind the bowl, using disinfectant. Clean and polish brightwork under sinks and bowls. You may wonder why we clean out-of-the-way fixtures that people generally don't see. It's because this kind of attention to detail is what separates Jani-King from other cleaning companies. Here's a recap of what you've just learned. Clean mirrors from top to bottom. Scrub the sink and the counter area and wipe with a microfiber or lint-free cloth. Clean all bright work and dry to a high gloss. Spot clean the wall behind the bright work. The final task in the restroom is to clean the floors. The floor should have been swept after you completed the surface dusting. To clean floors, use a standard or microfiber mopping system with cleaning disinfectant. Follow manufacturer recommendations when preparing the disinfectant floor cleaner. With the flat mop applicator, spray solution onto the floor as you mop. Mop areas closest to the walls first. Wipe excess solution off of floor using a figure-8 motion. When mopping the floor, try not to splash solution on the baseboards. If you see splash marks after you've mopped, be sure to wipe them off. Mop the remaining floor starting with an area farthest from the door. You want to avoid having to walk over an area you just mopped. Mop the floor while moving backwards towards the door. Basically, you want to mop yourself out of the room. Remember to reapply solution, especially in larger restrooms. Leave the wet floor sign in the entryway until the floor is completely dry. In some of the restrooms you clean, you may notice an unpleasant odor. If you do, the source of the odor could be the floor drain. A dry water trap in the drain can cause sewer gas to enter the room. One method of prevention is to periodically pour a disinfectant solution down the floor drain. Finally, make a final check of the room and complete any tasks you may have missed. Remove the wet floor sign only when the floor has completely dried. Let's quickly review the steps to mopping the floor. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations when mixing the disinfectant cleaning solution. Mop areas closest to the walls first. Mop your way out of the room. Mop using a figure-8 motion to pick up excess solution. Reapply solution frequently. Finally, look around the room to be sure you've completed all of the cleaning. Remove the wet floor sign only after the floor is thoroughly dry. When you have finished cleaning the restroom, return your service